as a very young university with very big dreams. It's open to everybody, irrespective of caste, creed, color, ethnicity, or linguistic orientations. I am confident because it has the intellectual capacity to materialize those dreams.
Here we are welcoming all those potential students who could contribute to the economy and also to the social get-up of the localities. The norms are, I would say, they are quite democratic. So there is a potential for everybody to grow. If they join us, they will hopefully grow here.
To be honest with you, Kohat University student has surprised me. They are very intelligent, hardworking, looking forward for their future. I have seen a student coming to this university completely transformed as they were before. We have here a BS program, MSc or MS program, MPhil and PhD program. In all cases, I personally have seen that the Kohat University students are doing very well, exceptionally well.
Here we are not only studying books, but the main focus here is on practical work, research work.
Contributed so much to my personality and to my academic career as well. And I'm really happy because I got a lot from here.
One of the best educational institutions in KPK, and it's growing very fast. As we can see, it has been ranked 4th in medium-sized university, so it's been an honor to be here.
People are very loving and they are a very friendly environment.
They encourage us to gain the education, they develop our confidence.
If the environment is conducive for teaching and learning, and then one could excel. KUST has the environment and it has potential to grow, and that's the basic difference.
Senior people really do a good job, which might be true, but I also believe that young people, if they are given the confidence and trust, can do wonderful things. Dr. Murad and Dr. Fida Yunus Khatak, they have published in a journal like Nature, and I believe that they are a source of inspiration for our young faculty members.
Kohat University of Science and Technology is a very good place to work, very good place to study. I think we have to feel very satisfied, secure and proud to be the part of this Kohat University of Science and Technology.
I feel myself to be a very lucky person to have a chance of working here, because Kohat University has provided a very congenial and a very comfortable environment to us, where I personally can work very easily, and there are equal chances of development, education and progress for ladies and boys as well.
I believe that KUST is giving a great opportunity to young lecturers, and they can learn a lot from teaching as well as from the senior teachers that are available here.
KUST has a future, though it's 10-year-old. You know, making of universities takes years, but it's on track. I see significant development here. The university is improving. Since I have been coming here for last 7-8 years regularly, I see a visible change here. It's doing good academically, administratively and socio-culturally.
In physical sciences right now we have 4 departments. The institute is the information technology. We are very good quality researcher, and our HRD program has contributed quite a lot to that. Our PhD faculty has returned now from abroad, and they are doing a very good job. Perhaps the most productive department of this university, that is the Department of Chemistry. We have very good scientists in there, and the impact factor of that department perhaps could be ranked among the tops in the region. The third department that we have is the mathematics department. The fourth one is the department of physics.
It's a very quite good blend of the science and social sciences. We have sociology and social work department. We have management sciences. We have the English, journalism, and few other departments which are very active, thriving very well, and supporting the sciences department. Faculty of biological sciences is comprising of 5 departments.
We are given almost equal opportunities for everything, whatever the thing is, either whether it's teaching or whether for other activities, we are given equally chance to participate in all the activities, and I think there is no such problem that we have so far faced.
The most important thing and the most wonderful thing about journalism department is radio. It is wonderful and amazing. Students are being trained here. They have excellent opportunities to groom professionally, and many of our students have got jobs. There are many things which makes Department of Journalism and Mass Communication different and unique.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सामाईन, FM 98.2 मेगाहर्ट्ज से उर्दू सेगमेंट का बाकायदा आगाज़ हो चुका है। कौमों की तरक्की के लिए जज्बा और जुनून का होना बेहद ज़रूरी है। आइए इसी सिलसिले में सुनते हैं जुनून ग्रुप का ये गीत।
We have been ranked recently by the HEC number 4 in the general category of medium universities, and that's a very big thing for Kohat University. So I would define it as a university which believes in providing research-oriented teaching.
Of course, we do not have the facility which could be considered on a par with the universities in the Western world, but our faculty and students are aware of the fact that we have to use our resources optimally.
This university is basically focusing on research, that the faculty member get involved in the latest knowledge based on teaching. So the research is the prime importance of this university.
In an environment, we may be housed in an area where there is not much of peace, where there's not much of law and order, but we are doing a remarkable job, and I think of our university as a flower blossoming in wilderness.
Thousands of books are available in different disciplines, which lead us towards knowing about new things and new ideas.
I completed my BBIT in 2008, and with the grace of Allah Ta'ala, I have achieved wonderful and outstanding results in the mathematics. So those are outstanding results. Nowadays, I am lecturing seminars in different universities, different colleges, schools.
Administration is for the supporting of the student as well as the faculty member. The role of administrative staff is to support the faculty members as well as the student in their academic activities, curriculum activities and co-curriculum activities.
Interested in painting, sketching, drawing, so that's why I'm here.
Here at KUST, I have wonderful opportunities to grow myself and to improve my fine arts talent. At KUST, I love painting and colors, and here we have great opportunities to improve myself.
Co-curricular activities always been very healthy activities. It's very important to develop the personality of a person, mental capabilities, and a healthy environment of a competitions.
There are so many opportunities in KUST University for sports. Sports is so essential for our health as well as in education. Sports support us in education as well as in our mental health, physical health. We are very happy to play here in KUST. There are a lot of opportunities for a player who want to play, who want to enjoy his physical activities.
There are a number of scholarship opportunities in the university, both for teachers as well as for the students.
and as such I would say that they can very easily excel in their career.
We have hostels and we have every sort of facilities in these hostels.
Kohat division is an arid area, as you might say. Most of its agriculture depends on rain. This land is very fertile. All it needs is a little bit of water. Exactly like that, the brains, the minds, the attitudes, the behaviors of the people here are really very, very bright. All it needs is a little bit of guidance. Those people who could not send their children to major cities like Peshawar or Lahore or Karachi or Islamabad for higher studies, those people now have this wonderful university at their doorstep.
Kohat University of Science and Technology, I put it the words lucky university because they got visionary vice chancellors, visionary teams who actually not only just comparing this university to the surrounding universities or to this province or to this country, but across the board of this country.
All the vice chancellors have contributed tremendously. For example, Zabta Khan tried to improve the infrastructure of the university, whereas Mr. Lutfullah Kaka Khail gave it the real university touch and made it very powerful academically. And the present Vice Chancellor, Dr. Nasir Jamal, made it very charming and attractive aesthetically.
We want to see this university to be a center of excellence, an institution which would be compared with the international level of institution.
The vision is to have this university very productive in terms of graduates and in terms of research. That would be not only relevant to the national needs, to the national industry, but would also be playing a major role in the international forum as well.
Let's be proud of who we are. We may not have economic privileges, but we have intellectual privileges. And let's make use of them. Let's be proud of who we are. We may not have a lot of resources, but we have the willpower.